Practices in the performing arts theater can be not very care-based, like there's very hierarchical ways of working. We've been thinking about how we can really change some of the practices in the performing arts sector. So Laro, Lingap, Laya workshops the Rewild the Theater is actually a workshop festival that's aimed at sharpening artistic tools for a more playful, participatory, and regenerative arts practices. So this is mostly for artists in the performing arts sector, educators, and the like.
The essence din kasi ng Laro Lingap Laya is it's a call for playful spaces, democratic spaces, and also brave spaces. We open up the workshop for the possibility to invite people from different backgrounds. So anyone from teachers, from scientists or artists, or kahit yung mga hobbyists lang, they can come through with that.
When there are such...
Saan ba nanggagaling yun?
Yeah. If that was your reality, like that's what you believe.
Ayun. So,
We are turning the shift towards a more ecologically focused and community-based art making as something like a collective inquiry rather than a transference of knowledge that's very hierarchical. So that's what we hope to do.
We bring in play and experimentation to the table by two specific ways. One, with the structure of our workshop festival, in that we're inspired by a choose-your-own-adventure style of play and performance, and then also a kind of open-world style of having the agency to choose what we want to do to be able to achieve our goals. We have workshops that are very relevant, that we feel are important to share, which are our ecofeminist practices workshops, our workshops on trauma-informed practices as well. But then we also want to infuse that sense of play through exploring different online tools, hybrid tools for creating arts and for creating something that is responsive to the concerns of our time.
and so what we want to be able to emphasize with the workshop series, it's really all about the process. It's all about being able to pursue whatever objectives we might have, but to do so in a way that is people-centric, that is really anchored on, again, our relationships with each other and our obligations to each other and taking care of each other, even as we collaborate, even as we inspire each other to try and pursue and create art. I'm excited for how the dynamic will form between everybody in the group. I'm sure that everyone who participates is going to be bringing their own context, their own perspective, and we're really trying to design the workshops to be able to accommodate all of that and provide a space where all of that can be meaningfully applied in a very dialogue-centric way.